Do you all know the importance of end screen in videos? There was this my video where I was analyzing how much YouTube paid me for 1,000 view. I was making analysis on that video. I really spoke about the analytics. If you've not seen it, you should check it out. The link to that video will be down in the description box. And in that video, I mentioned that out of the views that I've gotten, like 100% of the views that I've gotten, 1.9% from it is from my end screen. End screen is very, very important because YouTube made me know that 1.9% from the 100% that I've gotten on that particular video is from my end screen. In case you don't know what end screen is, sometimes when you finish watching a particular video, you would see two boxes that are displaying two other pictures, two boxes, one on the left, one on the right. Sometimes you will see a box and probably a circle that will say subscribe, something like that. That box is called playlist. Sometimes is one and the other one will be subscribed. It can also be that two boxes. This is what is called end screen. You can insert a video that you would like your viewer to watch next in those boxes. So when I start creating content here on YouTube, creating end screen gave me lots. Creating end screen gave me lots of problems. That's why I'll be going into my YouTube studio to show you the simplest way and the easiest way to make end screen. Because I remember then I'll be going from one comment section to the other asking people how to create end screen and I hardly get response. It took me a while before I finally got to know how to make end screen. So let's go right into the YouTube studio. You will go into the desktop version of your YouTube studio. Once you enter the YouTube studio, I'll be creating end screen on a video that I've already created end screen before, but I'm going to take out the end screen and recreate it. Now let's say I want to create end screen on this last video that I uploaded. Once you enter the desktop version of your YouTube studio, it automatically takes you to this channel dashboard. Then you click on go to videos. It takes you to your videos categorized as video, short, live, post, playlist. You can see that playlist is still showing here. These are my playlists. I made a video on how to create playlist already. If you've not seen that video, you should check it out. The link to it will be down in the description box, and it is also the link to it is currently showing up on your screen, and it's also be down in the description box. So going back to video, let's say I want to create playlist on this last video that I uploaded. You click on the video. Once you click on the video, you would see all these options. Let me take it back. So you click on the video just like that. Once you click on the video, you will see these icons. Then you click on this first one that is looking like a pencil. Once you click on that, you see end screen on this right side. Click on end screen. This video has two end screens already. But let's say that you've not uploaded end screen on your video. Once you get to this point, you will see that those boxes are blank. So you just have to click on the video like I clicked on this one. Then you click on, if you want YouTube to give you like your video that has the best view, you can click on this best for viewers, the middle one. If you want YouTube to give you your most recent upload, like the last video you uploaded, your most recent video, you click on the first one. But in my case, I'm clicking on this third one because I want to be I don't want YouTube to select me. I want to select the video that I want to use as my end screen. So now I'm clicking on, if the video that I want to use is not within these videos that are showing, you can search for it. So let's search. Just click on how to sew inseam how to sew inseam pockets on dresses. I want to pick this last one, so I'll pick like this. Then I'll go back to this first one. Let's change it as well. I'll click here because I want to select. I don't want you to select for me. Then I'll pick this video. Then I'll click on this one, and then you will see that this save will be clickable. It's not clickable here because I have end screen here already. If I was making it afresh to be clickable, now just click on it, and basically that's it. It is saved. So basically that is how to make end screen on your videos. I hope you found this video helpful. If that been helpful to you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, ask me down in the. Another thing is when I wanted to show example of what an end screen mean, you can see that one of the videos that I used, I'll be putting that video up now. One of the videos that I inserted in my end screen, or that I used as my end screen, is a playlist that contains 13 videos. That means that once somebody clicks on that single end screen, it shows them 13 of my videos, because I already grouped, like I already put 13 videos under that playlist. I made a detailed video on how to create playlist. The link to that video will be down in the description box. If you've not seen it and you don't know how to create playlist, you should check it out. Playlist is as important as end screen. It is very, very important as well because it helps your video to get more views. Because in my case now, somebody just finished watching one of my video, and then he or she clicks on just one end screen, and this end screen brings 13 of my videos to this person. That means the person can pick from the 13 videos and pick as much as he or she wants from the 13 videos to watch. So you should check out the video on how to create playlists. The link to it is down in the description box below. Comment section. My name is Oluwatosin. In case this is the first video of mine that you're coming across, and I'll see you in my next video. Have you seen any of these videos that are currently showing on your screen? If you've not, you should check them out. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.